Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to differentiate a function f of x to the 3 times x squared plus 1 times sine to the power 4 of x squared plus 1 again. So we're going to look for f prime of x and applying the product rule with x squared plus 1 as f of x and sine to the 4 of x squared plus 1 is g of x, right? With a scalar of 3 at the very front. We'll have a 3 and then we'll do everything else inside these big brackets. So I'm going to take the derivative of the first part times the second part itself. So the derivative of x squared plus 1 is 2x times sine to the 4 of x squared plus 1, right? That's the first part. And now we'll have plus the first part, namely x squared plus 1, times the derivative of that second part. I'm going to need more room here. So the derivative of sine to the power 4 of x squared plus 1 is going to be the exponent multiplies out front, so we'll have 4 sine to the power of 3, dropping exponent by 1, of x squared plus 1. Now, by a chain rule applied doubly, we'll have times the derivative of sine, which is cos. So we multiply sine to the power of 3 of x squared plus 1 times cosine of x squared plus 1, right? Because the derivative of sine is cos, so we have to apply the chain rule with sine making it into a cos of x squared plus 1 afterwards. And again, the chain rule applied to the stuff inside of the brackets that we're taking the sine to the power of 4 of, and the derivative of x squared plus 1 is again 2x. And so we have all that, okay? Now we can simplify this down a little bit. So we'll have 3 times 2x sine to the 4 of x squared plus 1 plus, we can multiply through these two different terms. So 2x times 4 times x squared, that's going to be 8x cubed sine cubed of x squared plus 1 cos of x squared plus 1 plus 1 times 4 times 2x, so that'll be plus 8x, again, sine cubed of x squared plus 1 cos of x squared plus 1, and all of that is being multiplied by 3. And can we do anything else? And we can factor out a 2, since there's a 2 common to each term inside the big brackets. And so to finish this off, we could write it as 6 bracket x sine to the power 4 of x squared plus 1 plus 4x cubed sine cubed of x squared plus 1 cos. You know what? I'm actually going to group that together. I don't love having to write those huge terms twice, so I'm going to group the 8x cubed and the 8x with the 2 factored out front, obviously. So I'll have plus 4x x squared plus 1 sine cubed of x squared plus 1 cos of x squared plus 1 and brackets. And that is how I would write my derivative in its simplest form. Okay? So there we have it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.